Iron. Let's see how we can create this project. So whenever we tap any point, the line get created, right? So let's see how we can code this project. So this is one such example of mouse events. So we're using mouse event, right? So first you will import OpenCV, import CV2 as CV, and we'll use NumPy also. So import NumPy as NP. So first, let me write a function of mouse event. So we'll write a function named click event, and if we will pass five parameters. That the first one is event, followed by x comma y, then flags and column, right? And let's see which event we want to target. So what I will do is I will use an event. Event is equal to cv dot event left button down, or you can use right button down, just up to you. So what I need is whenever I tap a circle get created, the first thing on first tap a blue circle will get created, and on second tap a line will be drawn. Sorry, on second tap a line will be drawn. So mm, let's write. Let's do our first step, that is creating a circle. So for creating circle, you will use cv dot circle. It takes few parameters. The first one is image. So I'll pass image. The second one is center. Center is obviously x comma y. The third thing is radius. Radius, let's say 7, although it's small, but it's fine. The fourth stuff is color. So we need blue circle, right? So since the color in this OpenCV in form of B, comma G, comma R channels, so we'll pass B. We need blue, right? So 255 to 0, comma 0. And at last we'll pass the thickness. So let's say 2, right? And now that is one first step. The second step is creating a line. So what can we do? So we could do is we'll create an array. If the length of array is greater than 2, it will create a line, right? So what I will do, let's create an array. Let's name this points. It's my empty array now. Now I'll append x and y on this array. Points dot append x comma y. Sorry, append x comma y, and we'll compare if length of this point array is greater equal to 2. Now I'll create a line, right? So cv dot line, it takes image, and the next is things take coordinates, right? So since uh, the coordinates are the last point and the second last point, right? So I will tell you later why I'm saying this. So I'll pass points minus 1 and points minus 2, right? This one my coordinate. The fourth thing we need to pass is the color. So I will use red line BGR, so 0, comma 0, comma 2, 5, 5. And at last I will pass our thickness 2, right? And now I need to show an image. So cv dot I am show image, comma img, right? Now I need to pass my image. So image is equal to since I will using a black image. So for that you using our NumPy array. I've already imported that. So np dot zeros pass anything like list or tuple. So I'm using list 512 512. Sorry. Since we need black color, so use 3. and the second parameter is passing a data type, that is np dot u int a, right? And to show this image, I'm using cv dot im show image comma img. Now a mouse callback, sorry, a mouse event has been written, so we need to call. So you cv dot set mouse callback. It take two things. The first thing is image you have passed, and the second thing is function. Let's take event. Now I need to put a timer. So for timer use cv dot wait key. So I'm using an infinite timer. So cv dot wait key comma 0, right? And at last we will to destroy all windows. So cv dot destroy all windows, right? So let's see how it works. Okay. So one thing I need to do is just resize the image for better view. So image is equal to cv dot resize img, and we pass the maximum coordinate is 1208 and 720 width and height, right? And one thing you notice that the circle is not filled. So to fill the circle, I'll pass -1, right? Now it looks good. Let's see. This is a bigger image. Yeah. So yeah, this is the way you can write the code for this stuff. Just works fine. Why I passed point -1 and -2, because it just connect this point with its last coordinate. So this is my last point. This is my second last point, right? So this is the thought process that you can use. Right? Thank you.